Welcome to Sanjay Talks Part 5. So, hope you guys will be enjoying your day. Now you will be singing, oh my god, you are doing, just joking. Yeah. So, what shall I talk today? Of course, I am going to talk on the Beyblade Burst Sparking anime. So, talking about the Beyblade Burst Sparking anime, people said me to explain till episode 10. So, let's start. So, starting from episode 1, there are two main characters, Yuga and Hikaru. So, they both are Asahi. Their surname is Asahi. So, they are Asahi. They are also called Asahi brothers. So, they live in one restaurant owned by their mother and father. So, they are the staffs and the owner of that restaurant. And then so there are two boys, Hikaru and Yuga. So Hikaru is the bigger one. So Hikaru is 12 years old and Yuga is 11 years old. So what happens that their mother wakes them up from sleep and tells them that their show is going to start, which was a Beyblade show. So Hikaru awakes tries to awake Yuga, but he's still says what happened and he sleeps again. And then Hikaru plans to lift him on his lift Yuga on his shoulders. So he lifts Yuga on his shoulder and goes till one beach kind of thing, which is near that I'm not getting the perfect. The place where the Nationals Walt versus Louis took place. So it's there. There was like a beach kind of thing where sand was there and rest portion was like water. So over there, he drops Yuga and tells him to wear his jacket and come with him to the show. So Hikaru then starts running and Yuga tells him to stop running. So then he stops, Hikaru stops and they both go through that stay in place. And then over there they see that the stadium of course I know that it will be little boring to you because I'm not showing any pictures, but if you just want to hear, so listen this. So then they go to that place. Over there are three legendary bladers, Rantaro, Kiyama, Silas, Karsile and Walt are battling. So they are battling with their sparking base. So Yuga and Hikaru loves that, and then after that they come out of that match, and then Hikaru and Yuga thinks of making a sparking bay for themselves. So after that Hikaru is on his pad. He sees that Rantaro and Silas use Satan and Glide Ragnarok, in which there are single chassis, one S chassis and one D chassis. Then and the Valkyrie uses 2A chassis, which is the double chassis which is combined of disc and the chassis. So Hikaru thinks of making a bay which will have the same thing, chassis and the disc combined. So after that they see Walt going out there, and so they ask Walt that will he battle them when their bay is ready. So Walt replies yes, and then they go to their home and start making their base. So when they start making their base, so Hikaru starts first. He starts making King Helios, and it is 1B chassis, zone driver, all that thing. And when Yuga thinks of making his own bay, he like thinking, while thinking he thinks so much that he falls into sleep. Then he sees a dream in which he is falling on sun, and in that when he is falling on sun he sees Super Hyperion, so he decides to make a attack type base Super Hyperion. So they just make it. And if you want the next story, please stay tuned on my channel and like take understanding of the sparking episodes. So if you want to see sparking episodes, there is a trick. So what you want to use is that download Proton VPN app. So I will just like show you in my next video, so stay tuned for that video. Bye.